Plane wings underwent a lot of stress, both during takeoffs, cruising altitude, and during landings. The wing frame is the most important component of a wing as it bears the brunt of the pressure. Maintenance crew would typically use ultrasound to monitor the frame for early sign of failure. These days, they often use resin-filled nanostructures to keep wings in pristine order. If engineers embed these into a flange material, they can patch the cracks as soon as they form. Some of the deadliest plane accidents involve bad weather. Therefore, having access to weather alert is vital to ensure a safe and smooth flight and airport's operations. With reliable information in hand, a pilot will not have to fly through potentially dangerous lightning, wind shifts, bursts, and hail. Another vital safety components are the wheel bearings. This is due to their job of supporting the entire weight of any plane with a very small surface area. Due to its role in safety, wheel bearings must meet certain standards. Advanced, newer models also continue to enter the market.